This file processing subchapter discusses about the file operations for write and read the file. The expected outcomes of this subchapter are: first, student able to comprehend the concept of write and read operations. And second, student able to use and manipulate the write and read file operations based on the requirement for a specific problem. This subchapter will cover write the data to a file and read the data from a file. Now, we learn by example for write data to an output file. This is a simple C program as example for this file output operation. We start with fopen statement to open a file for an output file. First, the file name. This is the actual file name that exists in the storage. The file, which is chess.txt, is available in the same directory as set up for the code, or developer may specify the directory of file in more specific directory. Next is the access type. The file is created for write operation. Next is the output statement for the file operation. The first statement produces the output "I love Malaysia" in the output file. Then, the next file output statement produced the output in the same file for 31 AUG 1957. Now, the file of chess.txt contains 2 lines of output. These output statements almost similar to printf function statement. The additional is printf function replaced by fprintf statement. Another additional element is the file identifier, which is freport for this example. This table shows the comparison of output statements on screen and output statements on the file operation. From the example, the syntax for output statement fprintf is: this subchapter is for read data from an input file. This is a simple C program as example for this input file operation. We start with fopen statement to open an input file. First, the file name. This is the actual file name that exists in the storage. The file, which is saintdata.txt, is available in the same directory as set up for the code, or developer may specify the directory of file in more specific directory. Next is the access type. The file is opened for read operation. Then, the input statement for the file operation. The first statement is reading the data from the input file, and the value of 20 from the input file is assigned to the variable of age. Followed by the second statement, the value of 3.24 is assigned to the variable of CGPA. So, now the age equals 20 and CGPA equals 3.24. These input statements almost similar to scanf function statement. The additional is scanf function replaced by fscanf statement. Another additional element is the file identifier, which is fstudinfo for this example. Then, the program produced the output on the screen. This table shows the comparison of input statements interactively using keyboard and output statements on the file operation. The input statements are fscanf, fgets, fgetc, fgetchar, and many more for the C programming. From the example, the syntax for input statement fscanf is: